Hello again. How in the world did it get to be Christmas already? I'm barely getting over Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed our little tour in the farmhouse and welcoming and doing a decorating there. And now we're in the wonderful textile library, and we have some fun Christmas things to show you. I'd like you to take a look at all of these wonderful pieces. A throw with the 8-pointed star, and then a little Christmas tree, all done with great colors and prints, and an Amish piece up there. And here's two other pieces that are wonderful. One of the Bethlehem scene with, I love Jesus. This has a mistletoe. I tried to kiss my grandson under the mistletoe, but it was a tug of war, but I think I got a quick kiss in. So these are great pieces and lovely to collect. Over here, just add to the redness of the room, another wonderful holiday star, and a great Bethlehem star. I always like to include this at Christmas time. This is a 1800 pine tree quilt that I love so very much. And we just brought this snowball quilt in to add to the festivities on the table. And now I would like to bring to you the creme de la creme of the entire Christmas season, this magnificent quilt that was all done, and it was done quickly, but I'm going to call our gals in and they will help describe it. Carla and Donna, come and join me, please. I'm going to let you two get in the front of the story, and I'm going to lean on my stool. Good, thank you. Okay, Carla has been here before. Donna, this is a trip for you, a new venture, and Donna is she's our go-to gal. She keeps us all in line, and so she usually carries the stick. Carla, tell us about this wonderful piece.
We made this from the clothing of 4 little girls, and I started it in October. I reused the paper piece pattern, so the trees up top are these trees, but look what happened when I stretched. When I stretched the trees, now they're tall and skinny and kind of artsy. And I just had fun with it, combining velvets with corduroys and cotton knits. This is what the customer wanted, with gifts around the edge as a border. We have it quilted with minimal stars so it doesn't overwhelm the rest of the quilt. And our idea is to have a red binding. Donna, could you bring the red binding over? And what would you do with the red binding before applying it to the quilt?
Most often we do wash them, because red is that dangerous color that it'll really shock you when you least expect it. And so yes,
we didn't want a pink quilt if this quilt is ever washed.
But tell them about the corduroys and the velvets and their dresses and their skirts.
It was hard to cut into the beautiful little fancy dresses, but it made a beautiful quilt that the family will love, and the little girls like pointing out, this was my dress, that was my top.
And there are various ages, from, I think about 6 to 16 or 17, something like that. So it is for their dad, so it's really a treat. Donna, do you want to get some of the gifts in? And
We have 4 gifts that were from clothing, and I made it so they would open up, and I put a little pocket in it so the parents can write little notes to their daughters. And we didn't want to quilt over top it, so that's why they're going on now in some of the
you can go
blank
ahead and pin it in.
spots.
You understand that when we are doing a project like this, it's a collective thing. We build from each other, and we all say, what do you think here, and what should go there, and so it, of course, Donna, Carla is the gal on with her hand on the tiller. She's moving the sewing machine, but isn't it spectacular, the joy. I especially like the little mistletoe and those gifts. Maybe over, can you go over one in between those 2 trees there in the light? So there we have it. So we're so anxious for the family to see it in a few days. So thank you very much. I hope you'll join us again for our little Christmas luncheon that's coming up, and then we'll say our fond Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you, and thank you to our special guy, Blake Vernon, for helping us so much. He's always with a smile. Thank you, Blake.
Thanks. Thank you.